Significant tornado outbreak yesterday across portions of the plains, mainly into Texas and Oklahoma. Here was a couple of the tornadoes that touched down. Not extremely widespread significant damage, so that is certainly the lucky thing, but a couple of very picturesque textbook tornadoes. Here's what the radar looked like as we went through the nighttime hours Monday night and early Tuesday morning. A smorgasbord of activity, a very strong line of thunderstorms with some discrete supercells that did end up producing some tornadoes, and definitely very gusty winds, heavy rain, a lot of flooding across portions of northern Oklahoma into Kansas there. And this whole system's moving off towards the east today. It's going to have another severe weather threat across much of Missouri, back into portions of Arkansas, spreading into maybe the extreme portions of Illinois into Indiana. Could have a little bit of that severe weather risk. But overall, this is not going to be a major outbreak. The dynamics and ingredients just not quite as good, but still some heavy rain and gusty thunderstorms. We'll take you through now on the Futurecast. Severe weather and what's this snow across Colorado, up into the Rocky Mountains, portions of South Dakota. Here's your squall line of thunderstorms erupting with damaging winds, a little bit of hail, isolated tornado threat. That'll push in towards the Midwest and really die down as that cold air continues to move on in with the trough of low pressures as it moves towards the middle of the country, and we have that contrast. Yes, cold enough for snow in the higher elevations of the Rockies. Not only just snow falling, significant snow, even a couple inches into the plains on the Front Range of Colorado near Denver. But look at that, it's portions of areas of 12, 24 inches of snow at least falling. Whether all that sticks or not is a little bit to be determined, but I don't think so. On the flip side, across the southeast, a major heat wave early in this summer season will be taking place. This is where temperatures are going to get well into the middle, even not upper 90s. This is for the Friday through Sunday period. This is on Sunday specifically, middle 90s likely, but it'll be several days of low to mid 90s with record-breaking temperatures across a good portion of the southeast. Very warm weather leaching through the Tennessee Valley, Ohio Valley into the mid-Atlantic as well for a few days there as this ridge of high pressure begins to set up through the weekend. That'll keep the active storm track back towards the plains and Midwest. Multiple rounds of thunderstorms, heavy rain as well, and then cold weather staying across portions of the Northwest into the Rocky Mountains. Again, another round of showers and thunderstorms forms into the plains, moves east across the Ohio Valley through the Northeast, and there you go again. Very active pattern that's going to cause some flooding, rains in spots, really delaying the replants for any kind of corn with above average precipitation in the forecast there. You can just see a very active pattern, multiple rounds. You got the big contrast, warm air with the ridge and then the cool air with the trough, and in between is all that activity. So complete weather forecast details available all the time here through NeoWeather. Thank you so much for checking it out, and check us out again soon.